Hello everybody, welcome back to Baking Budgets, y'all. I feel like it's been forever since I recorded a video, so I'm super happy to be here with you guys today. I am a 24-year-old cash budgeter here in the Pacific Northwest. I am a stay-at-home mom, but I also have an Etsy shop and a baking shop, hence my name, Baking Budgets. And my husband works full-time while I am taking care of our daughter because she is still a little baby or a toddler. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. You guys, today we are going to be stuffing $3,300. That is my husband's first paycheck of the month. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay. First of all, we're going to start with my bills, and I always use prop money for my bills, and I'm actually going to be using prop money for the majority of my categories today just because my husband got sick and we've just been cooped up all weekend. We haven't been able to get out to the bank, and I didn't want to end up getting like just 20s and 50s from the ATM. So I thought, you know what, this week I'll just cash stuff with prop money. And then when he gets paid again, I will go ahead and take all the money out, do one huge cash stuffing of the cash that I was supposed to stuff. So for now, it's just in the bank account, and that's totally fine. Okay, first and foremost, let's go ahead and get started with credit card. Today, credit card is going to be getting $200. I just have to pay off my Target card, you guys. It's a little less than $200. Y'all, there were a few things that my husband and I bought for Black Friday. I bought a whole bunch of books, and it was just things that we hadn't budgeted for. So we knew, okay, as soon as you get paid this week, we have to take that money out from this paycheck. So we'll pay off my credit card. We don't have any credit card debt, so that's why this is previously empty. So now that I have put this in here, I know I can pay off my Target credit card. I love my Target credit card, you guys. You save 5% every single time you use it in store, online. You always get like free shipping online. Yeah, I love it. Okay, next is Mint Mobile. It will not be getting anything today, but my Mint Mobile bill just came out. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. And now it's empty. So starting in, I think, January, I'm going to start stuffing this up again. In case you didn't know, Mint Mobile is like our phone line company, and you pay for it as a lump sum. You'll pay for either 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, I believe, and it's all upfront. So that's why I had saved that money over these last few months. And then, yeah, I'm going to do the same thing all over again. Insurance is going to be getting 100, 145, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $149, and that should do it for our insurance bill, which is going to be coming out in a few days. So this should be a total of $314. So 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 300, 310, 250, 70, 90, 305, 10, and 14. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. $314. I don't know why my insurance fluctuates so much, but I usually like to save around $315, and usually that does it. Netflix is going to be getting $11 as always. Yeah, okay, Netflix now has $22. It's always been $22 for like the past years. Perfect. Electric and gas is going to be getting $80. I don't know how much my bill is going to be this month. My electric and gas bill is the only one that is off from all of my other bills that come out all on the same day. So for now, I'm just going to stuff 80. So maybe I'm thinking that maybe that'll be half. Maybe my bill will be around $160 or so. We'll just have to see. So I just wanted to stuff 80 in there. My personal loan is going to be getting $150. So it now has 100, 200, 210, oh, 250, and $300. This is for one of my student loans. Next is Spotify, and it is going to be getting $6. So 5 and 6, and it now has 10, 15, 16, and $17. I honestly don't remember if Spotify was $16 or like $13, but I just went ahead and stuffed more than enough just in case. Next is Toyota. This is my husband's car payment, or half of it. I like to do $250 every single time. So that way I'm paying $500 a month. That is a lot more than what his actual payment is, but I want to pay more towards, so you can go towards the principal. Rent is gonna get $550 like usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because our rent is $1,100. And this is coming out in a few days as well. Like I said, all of them are all the same day. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,050 and 1,100. Perfect. Oh my goodness. It's so satisfying when you have like all your money ready and just waiting for the bills to hit the account, withdraw the money. Okay. Perfect. All right. Awesome. Now let's go into, we can go into my pink binder now. I just have just one category in here that I'm going to be taking care of. And that is right here. And this is my husband's envelope here. Whenever my husband gets overtime from his job, I always go ahead and leave all the overtime in his account. I said this before, but it's like he has his base amount, right? Like when he hits his 40 hours, that's the amount of money that he makes. So any money that he makes over those 40 hours, it's like we would have never had it anyways. You know what I mean? So it doesn't really like affect us. Because whenever I do my budget, I budget it for the 40 hours. So anything that's outside of that, he just keeps it in his account because that's like, you know, it's the money that like is personal money. Okay. And that was $300 this week that he had in overtime. So now he has a total of, in his personal account, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. $728 for him. So that is awesome. And that is it for this binder. And then next, let's go into my long-term binder. But I first want to go ahead and start with next week's money. So like I said, I'm leaving everything in the account this week. So I budgeted $280 per week for the next 2 weeks. And that's for our groceries, our household supplies, and our gas. So like gas for our cars. So we're going to do, so 100, 200, 250, 270, oops, and 280. So this will last us for 1 week. And if there's leftover, awesome. So I usually just leave this on our debit card. And then for next week, we have 100, 200, 250, 270, and 280. And this will last us for the next week. I like to divide it like that. That way I don't go over our limit. So normally when I have cash, I would stuff it into my wallet. But like I said, because we're doing the prop money today, I went ahead and just left leaving it in the bank this time. Okay, now we can go to the top. All right, so emergency, I want to go ahead and stuff $500 because today we have $1,500 in there. So, okay. So instead of putting all of this prop money, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop another 1,000 placeholder and put this 500 away. So now in emergency, we have a total of $2,000. Next is baby girl future, my daughter. She's going to be getting $50. So she now has $550. You know, at one point, you guys, I used to do only prop money for a few months, and that was because my daughter was so small and it was kind of hard for me to get out to the bank. And you know, when my husband got off work, the bank was closed, and it was just a bunch of things, and it just kind of made more sense at the time for us to just do prop money. So this kind of is like taking me back to that time. But I think it's also wonderful too to see that you don't have to do physical cash. Some people aren't comfortable doing cash, or for whatever reason it might be, maybe the city that you live in, they hardly take cash. Sometimes it's like that in Seattle, it's card only. So this is also another way for you to see that you don't have to take out physical cash from the bank to still make this system work. You can use prop money. And I got this prop money years ago, like 2 years ago now, almost 3 years ago now, I think, from Amazon. And I think it looks fine. And it was like $10. So I just wanted to put that out there as well. Next is car emergency. This is also going to be getting $50. So we now have $650. Tools is not going to be getting anything today, but annuals will be getting $5. I did take everything out of annuals to pay for our annual gym membership fee. Next is Lychee's emergency. So Lychee's emergency, he does have real cash in here. And I think what I'm going to do is, I think for now, I'm going to go ahead and just take all of this money out and replace it with prop money. Because I don't know, I feel like as the year is coming to an end, we have a lot of things that we have to take care of before the year ends, a lot of things we have to prepare for in the new year, and I just don't really know if I'm going to be able to make it to the bank or not. So I hope you guys would just bear with me in this last month of the year, where I'm also trying to hit a lot of personal goals that I have. There's a lot of books that I want to finish reading before the year ends, and also fitness goals that now that my husband and I are back in the gym, and it's like literally he comes home from work, I go to the gym, I come back, dinner, bedtime, and then his days off, I'm in the gym, then he's in the gym. And, you know, we're just really trying to take care of ourselves a lot better for these last couple months. And so now that it's kind of like crunch time, I don't think we're going to be able to get into the bank. So because of that, I don't know, I'm kind of anticipating that we'll be sticking to only prop money, at least until the year ends. And then once we head into the new year, and things kind of settle down, then I'll definitely be doing cash again. But for now, I hope you guys will just still hang out and bear with me while I am kind of making some changes to my budget. So yeah, so I just wanted to put that out there. So Lychee emergency, he has 20, 25, 30, and 35. And then I want to go ahead and do $5 for him, so he'll have a total of 40. So 20 and 40 for Lychee. Lychee is our dog. Next is anniversary, and I wanted to stuff $20. So we have 50, 70, 75, and 80. So that would be a total of $100 in our anniversary, which is coming up next month. Super excited. It's our 5-year anniversary. Next is hair care. This is for my husband's haircuts. He has 20, 25, and 30, and I'm adding $5. So that'll be 35. So 20, 30, 5. That was the last $5 that he needed to get his haircut, or for the tip at least. Lychee's expenses is going to be getting $5. Yeah, okay. Baby expenses is going to be getting, she's going to be getting $5 as well. And then family fun is going to be getting $5. And then nothing else in here, but savings, I did want to go ahead and put our last $350. So 1, 2, 3, 50. And in savings, we now have 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. So I'm hoping I can add more than $50 when my husband gets paid again, and then we'll be at over 1,000 with our cash savings. Okay, well, that'll do it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out and sticking around with me, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video, where I will be doing my second cash stuffing for the month of December. I can't wait to see y'all then. Alrighty.